What's up there, team? It's Alice Ashe here again, and do we know what day it is? Oh yeah, it's Tasty Treat Tuesdays. So if you're new to my channel, every Tuesday I bring you a tasty treat which is basically going to help you long term on your fitness journey. So today I'm bringing you some lovely protein pancakes, and they are honestly absolutely delicious. 5 ingredients, and honestly they are so good if you want to have them for breakfast or a snack, to give you that treat to help you long term on your fitness journey. So without further ado, let's get going. Okay, whack in your 1 banana, then you need a scoop of protein powder, a scoop of flour, then you need your 2 eggs, then we need 1 tin of salt, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 200 ml of almond milk, and then we're going to whiz it all together, and then we've got our pancake mix. Okay, then we need our pan, and we're going to get it nice and hot. I use a 1 cal spray as well to grease the pan. Then we're going to pour the mixture onto the pan, try and keep it in a circular kind of shape, and then it's going to take about a minute each side. Look at it, it looks absolutely delicious. So then all you need to do is just repeat the process and just keep stacking those pancakes. Okay, so when you've got as many pancakes as you desire, then we just need the topping. So I used melted dark chocolate raspberry with maple syrup, and then I also used some raspberries and blueberries, and it was sensational. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel for more Tasty Treat Tuesdays.